Question 2. When 3 gram of carbon is burnt in 8 gram of oxygen, 11 gram of carbon dioxide is produced. What mass of carbon dioxide will be formed when 3 gram of carbon is burnt in 50 gram of oxygen? Which law of chemical combination will govern your answer? Now, when carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Now, according to the question, 3 gram of carbon reacts with 8 gram of oxygen and 11 gram of carbon dioxide is formed. Now, the sum of carbon and oxygen on the reactant side is 3 plus 8, which is equal to 11 gram. So, weight of reactant is equal to weight of product. Therefore, law of conservation of mass is obeyed in this case. Now, in the second part of the question, it is asked that what mass of carbon dioxide will be formed when 3 gram of carbon is burnt in 50 gram of oxygen. Now, according to the law of constant proportion, 3 gram of carbon will always combine with 8 gram of oxygen. Therefore, out of 50 gram of oxygen present, only 8 gram of oxygen will combine with carbon to form carbon dioxide, and 50 minus 8, that is 42 gram of oxygen will be left unreacted. Therefore, even if 50 gram of oxygen is present, according to the law of constant proportion, 3 gram of carbon will combine with only 8 grams of oxygen. Or it can also be said that the ratio between mass of carbon and mass of oxygen which combine to form carbon dioxide is always 3:8.